Abdullah Kneader AE900A being checked for Daraz order on 1st January 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a plastic blade installed inside, a metal blade, a measuring flask, and a warranty booklet. Its maximum capacity is 3.5 kg. The machine is okay from all the sides. We will show you in the video also. There is no damage. The machine has started. You will see it will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It can easily make dough within 3 to 5 minutes. It's a lifesaver and the best आटा गूंदने की machine in Pakistan. Genuine Abdullah. Here you can see the machine has automatically stopped. We will show you the bottom part also, that there is no breakage. Now the machine will be packed in its genuine carton. We first pack it in the brown sheet, as you can see. This is the brown sheet, and then this is the bubble wrap, so that it does not break in courier handling. We also stick the fragile stickers on it, on top and on the side. The machine carton also has thermopore pieces at the bottom and on top for safe packaging. This is the top thermopore piece.